Hello everyone, I Anshuman Singh with my team from Public School is going to represent our idea based on the use of waste plastic. Now my friend Yanshu will elaborate further.
Hello everyone, today I am going to elaborate the problems faced by waste plastic. Waste plastic takes around 1000 years to decompose and many of the plastics are non-degradable. Many animals eat the plastics and die. Water clogging are also caused by the plastic materials in seas, oceans, lakes, etc. Thus, we need a solution. So now my companion Naman will find a solution to this problem.
Hello friends, as my friend Yanshu has presented a problem on waste plastic that harms our nature. So, a solution to this problem is 3D printing. A printer that uses waste plastic material and converts it into 3D things. This printer can be used in industries and factories. It can be used for small or big projects. Now, I address this idea to my great friend Aditya Shandilan, who will further explain.
As we know it, we humans throw a lot of plastics in our environment and in our environment gets polluted. In order to make the plastic useful, we can provide the plastic and provide it to the 3D printer. It will convert the plastic into the resources required for 3D printing and then it will convert it into then it will print the product we want. For more details, refer to my friend Aditya Sharma.
Hello everyone, here's the mechanism how waste plastic can be used for 3D printing. Here there is a hole in the shredding and melting box in which the waste plastic is converted into the ink which is used for 3D printing. After shredding, it melts and the waste plastic converts into the ink and it goes into the developer. And the machine's developer can make any shape of any size. As you see, here is the final result which it can make.